Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Sezzle Virtual Card. Basically, you can use your Sezzle Virtual Card in many different ways. The first way that you might choose is actually to order online by using your Sezzle Virtual Card. So the thing that you need to do is to access your card number and expiration date and all the details needed by going to your Sezzle app. So from the app itself, you can access your card's details in order for you to use it to shop online. So this is a super easy way to basically use the card. The next thing that you can do in order for you to use your card is to basically pay in store. So to pay in store, you will need to add your Sezzle virtual card to your wallet on your phone. So this can be Google Pay or even Apple Pay. So you can choose wherever your phone is. So if you're using Android, you can use Google Pay. If you're using Apple, you can simply choose to pay with Apple Pay. So you can add your Sezzle virtual card to your wallet, and by doing that, you can simply pay with this in any store you go to.